The Senate of the Roman Kingdom holds an essential place in the annals of ancient political institutions. As the precursor to the famed Roman Republic and Empire Senates, this early Roman assembly was pivotal to the Roman kingdom's administration and politics. The Roman kingdom, lasting from 753 BC to 509 BC, was the first period in Roman history, and it was in this period that the Senate was born. Although the details of the Senate's earliest form are obscure due to the absence of contemporary accounts and the mythological character of much Roman kingdom history, the Senate's significance in shaping Rome's political landscape is undoubted. The Senate was comprised of the most distinguished aristocrats of Roman society, the Patricians. The king, Rex, selected these patricians based on their virtues, wisdom, and contributions to society. As such, the Senate was a council of elders. Senatus is derived from the Latin word senex, meaning old man, serving as advisors to the king. The assembly had no legislative powers initially, but its influence grew with time, and it played a pivotal role in decision-making and the administration of justice. The members of the Senate, known as senators, were bestowed the responsibility of guiding the king on policy matters, including treaties, declarations of war, and state finances. Despite lacking formal legislative power, the Senate's advice carried significant weight. It was unusual for the king to disregard the council's advice, given their societal status and wisdom. Apart from advising the king, the Senate was also responsible for interpreting the signs, augury, of the gods' will, an important part of the Roman religion. Decisions made without considering these signs were believed to displease the gods and invite disaster. Therefore, the Senate held a significant religious function in addition to its political role. Following the death or deposition of a king, the Senate would elect an interrex, interim king, from among themselves to facilitate the transition of power. This individual had the authority to propose a candidate for the kingship to the Comitia Curiata, an assembly of Roman citizens, further demonstrating the Senate's pivotal role in the Roman kingdom's political machinery. The Senate's influence grew over the course of the Roman kingdom, eventually leading to conflict with the monarchy. This tension culminated in the overthrow of the last king, Lucius Tarquinius Superbus, by a coalition of senators, thus marking the end of the Roman kingdom and the birth of the Roman Republic in 509 BC. During the Republic, the Senate evolved to become a powerful legislative body, significantly influencing the formation of one of history's greatest empires. Nevertheless, the Senate's roots in the Roman kingdom served as the foundational structure for this later development. Despite the lack of comprehensive contemporary accounts, the Senate's role as a central political body in the Roman kingdom is clear through its continuity into the Republic and Empire. In conclusion, the Senate of the Roman kingdom, while primarily an advisory council, played a crucial role in the early political, religious, and societal landscape of Rome. As Rome's first organized political institution, it set a precedent for governance and decision-making. Its growth from a council of elders advising the king to a powerful political entity underlines its enduring significance in Roman history.